Studying the visual representation of microgestures, we studied 4 microgestures: tap, hold, swipe, and flex. We designed static representations and their dynamic counterparts. Which results in 8 representations combined into one family. In total, we designed 21 different families that we tested with an online experiment. Using an online form, participants evaluated the efficiency of the representations. For each representation, they could zoom onto the image, leave a score using a 6-point Likert scale, and leave a comment. In total, 45 participants scored 168 representations. Results allowed us to rank the families according to their representation efficiency and identify the top 4 families with very different design that we further tested in augmented reality. We implemented an AR version of the 4 identified families: tap, hold, swipe, flex. We tested the representations in context with 16 participants. Both experiments allowed us to derive a series of design guidelines. For example, Design Guideline 1 states that implicitly or explicitly show the actuator.